Hi, I'm Brad Warren, chair of the new Bay East Affiliate Committee.
And I'm Jennifer Bork, the committee vice chair. With us today are the members of our new affiliate committee.
Bay East affiliates are dues-paying members of Bay East Association, an integral part of every real estate transaction, and owners and representatives of businesses who provide services and support to the real estate industry.
Mortgage lending,
natural hazard disclosure and home warranty,
financial planning,
insurance,
taxes,
title and escrow,
real estate and mortgage licensing training,
marketing,
virtual tours, and real estate photography,
and transaction coordination.
The affiliate committee was formed to strengthen the relationships between affiliates and realtors and to promote the overall professionalism of affiliate members.
We're going to be meeting once a month throughout the year, and we love to hear your ideas and input. So please contact Tony Wilson at Bay East if you'd like to be added to the email list. Thanks for supporting Bay East affiliates.